So hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about partial eutectic system. Okay, so let's first discuss about the definition. And the definition is that the system of alloy that two element added will exhibit complete solubility in liquid state and partial solubility in solid state. It means it is solubility. It means 100% soluble found in liquid state and partial soluble found in solid state. Okay. So the example of this partially eutectic system are silver copper system, lead tin system, tin bismuth system, lead antimony system. Okay. So now discuss about the significance of that topic. Okay. Let M is the melting point of element A and N is the melting point of B. Okay. So if, as we have already discussed in our previous lesson, if single phase and complete solubility is found in any cases, then Raoult's law is valid. Okay, so MEN is liquid acetylene. MEN is liquid acetylene. Okay, and MPEQN is solid acetylene. MPEQN is solid acetylene. Okay, एंड लेट अल्फ़ा देखो नाउ मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में समझाने का ट्राई करता हूँ कि अल्फ़ा जो एक ऐसा सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन है जो कि बी मिला हुआ है ए में, ठीक है, बी इन ए, एंड बीटा इज अ सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ए इन बी, ठीक है। अब देखो इसकी अब मैं बताऊँगा टर्मिनल सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन बोलते हैं इनको, टर्मिनल सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन। अब ये क्यों बोलते हैं वो मैं अभी इसी के नेक्स्ट पेज पे जो है उसमें आपको खुद को समझ में आ जाएगा कि इसमें कंसंट्रेशन समझना है पहले कि अगर अल्फ़ा है तो अल्फ़ा की कंसंट्रेशन है ए की है 95 और बी की है 5%, जो भी है अल्फ़ा बोलेंगे उसे। ऐसे ही बी की कंसंट्रेशन है 95, ए की है 5%, तो उसको बोलेंगे बीटा, ठीक है। अब इन्हों को बोलते क्या है अल्फ़ा और बीटा को, ये है टर्मिनल सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन। ओके, नाउ first of all see this figure very carefully. Okay, now as we have already discussed in our previous lesson, M is the melting point of A means where is alpha, and N is the melting point of Q. So now we will discuss their alpha and beta, not A or B. Okay, as we have already seen, 100% solution is found at A, and now in this case there is not 100%, there is found 98% A and 2% B in first step. Okay, and as we have already seen in previous topic, there is 100% A and 0% B, but notes there. Okay, similarly here A is 2% remaining and 98% is B. Okay, so देखो P is partial solubility of B in A. P is partial solubility of B in A. B in A. Then concentration of B is found here 5%, and concentration of A is found here 95. Okay, similarly Q point. This point I want to say only that P and Q, these points has shifted from their initial position. Okay, and as we have already seen in previous topic, this is the solvus line, and in this topic solvus line is this and this. Okay, because P point and Q points have shifted. Now we have seen that liquidus region. Okay, we have already teach that this is the eutectic point, and below this region we have found solid, and above this region we have found only and only liquid form, and this is molten form. I mean liquid plus solid form. Liquid properties comes from that region and solid properties comes from that region. Similarly here. And now we discuss cooling behavior of eutectic alloy. Okay. At this point between a and between 1 and 2. Okay, let's see here. This is 1. Okay, and 2 is here and 3 is here at eutectic point, eutectic alloy. Okay, so at 1 1 let's suppose here. Okay, then all substance found in liquid form, then this is pure homogeneous system here found. Okay, and now see here, 2 to 3 region. Let's suppose 3 here and 2 here. Then we seen that if the temperature is rise little above 0.000 degrees Celsius, then we found liquid form. Okay, and below this we have little found zero difference of 0.003 only solid form. Okay, so let's see here, alpha and beta, these are partial eutectic system, so there is nothing pure and nothing separated. Okay, there are little bit mixing up with each other. So alpha where b is 5%, a and a is 95%. Similarly b layer, b having 95% and beta, b having 95% and a is 5%. We have already discussed that in previous, so you can understand this diagram. Okay, at any point between 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay, because the temperature decreases down and solidification gradually started here. Similarly, cooling behavior of eutectic alloy. Okay, at any point a hypoeutectic है. Okay, so line will draw here. Okay, here like this, like this. Okay, so in this region 1 to 2 all phase is only homogeneous, so this is a pure homogeneous. Okay, now second diagram, please carefully watch here because I am going to tell very important point here. The dendrites formation takes place. Okay, in this form, in this region. Okay, so dendrites having a most important property, dendrites having not pure, dendrites of not only of pure material, these are of something like 5% or 2%, 2% or 5%, something like that here found of a alpha. Okay, in this region hypo. Okay, alpha, and in which is some merged in liquid of okay other substance beta. Similarly, after solidification we get lamina, interlamina layers. Okay, there, there and there. You are getting my points. Okay, so at any point between 2 and 4, 2 and 1 and 2, 2 and 3 here and 3 and 4. ठीक है, सो मेरे कहने का मतलब क्या है, देखो मैं हिंदी में एक बार समझाने की ट्राई करता हूँ कि जैसे ही यहाँ पे लिक्विड फॉर्म है ये वाली, उसके बाद में यहाँ पे लिक्विड और ये डेंड्राइट्स बनना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा अल्फ़ा का, और डेंड्राइट्स जो अल्फ़ा का है उसमें कंसंट्रेशन बी की है 5%, तो यहाँ पे डॉट डॉट से आपको डिनोट करना होता है इनों के बीच में. ठीक है, देखो जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे डिनोट्स बिल्कुल ठीक से कर रखे हैं. ओके, तो ये सॉलिडिफिकेशन स्टेट है 3 एंड 4 के बीच में. ओके, तो यहाँ पे इंटरलैमिनर लेयर्स भी बन रही है. ओके, यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. कूलिंग बिहेवियर ऑफ हाइपर यूटेक्टिक पॉइंट. तो हाइपर यूटेक्टिक में क्या होगा, बीटा की डेंड्राइट्स बनेंगे और ए अल्फा जो होगा उसके बीच बीच में पाया जाएगा. सेम यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम इटसेल्फ. ओके, and significance of this diagram. Okay, here when temperature gradually down, precipitation process starts here. Okay, when in the case of alpha there is a precipitation formation of beta. Okay, hypo in the case of only hypoeutectic, and in the case of hypereutectic hyper, then there is alpha precipitation here, and beta solidify, means dendrites, and alpha is dendrite in starting and there is solubility decreases. When alpha is dendrites formation take place, then solubility decreases due to precipitation formation. And most important point is solubility law is valid only for one phase. This is most important point here. Solubility law is valid only for a single phase. Okay, and precipitation hardening strengthening happens only in case of partial eutectic system. Important, very very important point. Okay, precipitation hardening strengthening happens only in the case of partial eutectic system. मीन्स कि जो यूटेक्टिक सिस्टम है इसी में ये तीनों प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस होती हैं. हार्डन भी हो जाता है डेंड्राइट, एंड हार्ड और स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ जाती है उसकी. एंड ऑफ प्रिसिपिटेट तो मैंने बता दिया है कि अगर अल्फ़ा का डेंड्राइट बनना है तो बीटा का प्रिसिपिटेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. और ये हाँ, सोल्वस लाइन मस्ट बी देयर. सोल्वस लाइन दिखाता हूँ आपको. इस सोल्वस लाइन में देखो ये वाला, ठीक है. 5% से जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर डाउन होता चलाएगा ये 2% के नियर आ जाएगा बी की कंसनट्रेशन. ठीक है, ये डायग्राम आप ड्रॉ कर लोगे और ये मैं पॉइंट बता चुका हूँ. और लेयर सिस्टम आई विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. ओके, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर आई मीन्स नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.